Welcome to Homework Lib.
Given all sides of a triangle, you're going to have to use the law of cosines to start. Let's find angle A first. Then it would be side A, which is 62, squared equals the sum of the other two sides squared minus 2 times the other two sides times the cosine of angle A. I'm going to do this in parts here so that I can enter the whole thing exactly into a calculator. So you would subtract 48 squared to both sides. You subtract 73 squared. And that'd be equal to negative 2 times 48 times 73 cosine angle A. Then you would divide this by negative 2 times 48 times 73. That would get rid of that product. And then you would do the last step, which would be the inverse cosine both sides of the equation. So that would be leaving us with just angle A, and it would be the inverse cosine of this kind of ugly fraction. Now you could do this in parts and round along the way. I'm going to do this, as I said, all at once. So make sure you're in degree mode if you're doing it that way, and either way you need it. But you're going to do the inverse cosine of 62 squared minus 48 squared minus 73 squared over negative 2 times 48 times 73. And we get 57, what do we need to round to here? To the nearest tenth. So that would be 57.3 degrees for angle A. Which now we can use the law of sines. We can say the sine of the 57.3 degree angle over its opposite side, 62, is equal to, if we want to find angle B next, the sine of angle B over its opposite side, 73. Cross multiply the 73, and then inverse sine to get just angle B. So inverse sine of 73 sine 57.3 over 62. And that's 82.2 to the nearest tenth. And now we can just subtract from 180. 180 subtract from the 57.3 and subtract the 82.2 because there's 180 degrees in a triangle leaves us with 40.5 degrees for angle C.